well, nobody's really asking for hair extensions in my area.
Who the hell's going to ask you? How do they even know to ask? My hair never grows past this length. Like, I wish I had longer hair, but my hair never grows past this length.
You need I'm going to always go with the stupid answers first, okay? And then you give us the truth.
Yeah.
I would say prenatal vitamins. You should probably take some biotin, get some prenatal vitamins. You need maybe some hair growth products rubbed in on your head. Stop having so much trimmed off. People are trimming too much. You got to get it trimmed to grow, which is the funniest thing. Yeah, those dead ends and splits are splitting up faster than your hair's growing. You got to get those ends off. I think that'll help you grow faster. Or hair extensions.
How many clients do you hear or stylists do you hear get a divorce if your hair is not growing?
No, I just saw that.
You're too stressed out. Your hair's just not growing anymore. You got to get rid of them, girl.
Yeah. I think if people get a divorce, hair extensions is what changes their life, makes them happy.
It's the answer to everything. Today's episode, is hair extensions.
Yeah.
But that's the whole thing. I had a stylist in the salon say, go to Costco and buy a tub of collagen, and you put 2 scoops in the morning, 2 scoops in the afternoon, 2 scoops in the evening with whatever you're drinking. Put it in your coffee, put it in your drink, put it in your wine. And I'm going, what in the hell are you recommending?
Collagen.
Like who the hell are you to recommend that? Why would you say that? It worked for me. I'm like, just because it worked for you doesn't mean that's your body. You can't tell somebody else to do something work for you. You're going to get in so much trouble.
Right. You're prescribing like a doctor, and you're making somebody else money with that prescription. And it's an outcome that you can't control. You put hair extensions. It's immediate. It's real. You're doing it. Do you think they feel guilty or think they can't afford it? I mean,
unfortunately, it's not a thought in the stylist's mind. That's the problem. They don't.
Not even a thought.
This is my one complaint about hair extensions always.
Not even a thought. That deserves
a cracker. It's not even a thought.
Yeah, that deserves a cracker. Not even a thought.
That's the problem. Haircut, no problem. Hair color, no problem. Body wave, perm, keratin. Like, every stylist thinks these are all standard services. But then it comes to extensions. They're like, oh, that's a specialty service. That's a premium, and it's kind of like the industry's fault too. It's been positioned as this secretive, luxury, premium, blah, 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 BS. Nobody's allowed to freaking talk about it. The best kept secret in the world. And now it's out in the open. Everybody knows about it. It's just as normal as anything else. Yet that's
ready. I don't know if you're ready for hair extensions. Come back and see me in a couple of years. You don't look like you can afford this.
There's this freaking price gate thing that's like the secret club that only X amount of people are allowed to get it for. Or the stylist, even worse offensive, they think they're not allowed to offer it to the client. They think they have to sit there and wait for the client to say it themselves, as if the client's even thinking about that themselves.
Well, unfortunately, we know that's what it is most of the time, because that's the biggest hurdle that I hear is people say, well, nobody's really asking for hair extensions in my area.
Who the hell's going to ask you? How do they even know to ask?
You never told them you know how or that you do it. So there are people in your city traveling to the other big city nearby because you all think it can only be done in big cities. You can't do hair extensions around horses and cows. No, if there's horses and cows in your city is way too small for hair extensions. And they won't even, UPS won't even, I think there's like a force field. UPS won't even ship.
They won't deliver?
No.
You want a fun fact?
Once the houses get too far apart, the extensions just disappear in the UPS truck. And so I think that's the problem, why they're only done in big cities. It's the stupidest thing. I mean, we literally have had some of our biggest hair extension buyers because they get over the mindset in some of the smallest, stupidest towns I've never heard of.